Welcome to DJM TV.
Eweee, Sultan of Sokoto don't beg Nigerians make them give Baba T chance.
My people, we greet una, we welcome una to this our channel. Una know say na ogbonge updates. Now we dey come sama una like this for this our channel. So if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush now go subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so at any time we be like say we drop any update like this, una go dey informed sharply. And also make una follow us on our Facebook page as see the odds. Make we quickly enter the tori wey we carry come for una.
Sultan of Sokoto don't beg all Nigerians make dem support Baba T as the new president of Naija. Say based on their slogan wey be renewed hope, say they go bring new hope come and things go better for all Nigerians. Make Nigerians leave matter, give Baba T government chance with the trailer of hope wey dey carry come so. Anyway, make I leave una, make una watch the video and hear all wetin Sultan of Sokoto talk.
Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, ably represented by the SGF, who is wearing 2 caps, as chairman of the Transition Committee, Your Excellency, the Vice President-elect, and the newest GCON, Grand Commander of the Order of the Niger, distinguished honorable ministers, senators, members of the diplomatic corps, imams, distinguished brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This beautiful Friday morning, as it pleased Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, our creator, our sustainer, He gathered us in this hall of this national mosque for yet another very important program. The special public lecture to mark the 2023 inauguration of the new government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. As chairman of the occasion, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome all of you from far and near, and thank you for accepting to be here, to be part of this historic program. In 70 hours, inshallah, roughly 70 hours, a new government will come into place by Allah's divine will and grace in the next 70 hours or more. 70 is a special figure, as you all know. We're all hopefully expecting this government to come in and hit the ground running with full steam. And we know the slogan of the incoming president had been renewed hope. So that gives us hope to hope for the best. That gives us the hope that we can hold him responsible and accountable for what he told us he would do once he gets in there 29th May. We will not give him enough time to settle down before we start asking him, what are your plans for us? So, renewed hope. We are hopeful. And we must always remain hopeful. And keep on praying and believing in Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He will do what is best for us in our lives, in our homes, in our states, in our great country, Nigeria. That's our prayer to Him every day, every second of our lives. I believe, based on my own background, as somebody who spent 31 years in the military of this great country and served everywhere, I believe we are better together as one big family. It's my personal belief, and I will personally work on that. Till Almighty Allah said otherwise. I believe we are better together, and that's a slogan too that's been mentioned over and over. Because we are such one beautiful country with such diversity. And I've talked about this diversity at so many fora. One, I would like to request you to check the lecture I gave at Akure, Ondo State, on our diversity, our strength. So I'm not going to go too much into this diversity, but I believe we are better together. We can be united as one people, but not uniform. We can't all be the same, but we can be united. We should work towards being united without being uniform. A Hausa man is a Hausa man, a Yoruba man is a Yoruba man. Everybody is, you know what? He knows what he is. Don't you know? Kashi. So I believe our diversity is our strength, and we should work together, bring everybody to contribute positively to the development of this great country. And we must work towards strengthening our diversity to live peacefully with one another and coexisting as one big family. I want to welcome you to this special public lecture, and after which we will proceed to the National Mosque there for a special, or rather for Jumu'at prayers. Wish you all the very best of Almighty Allah's blessing. May Allah continue to bless our leaders, bless our country. May He grant us peace and stability and the wherewithal and the strength to do what is right and do away with what is wrong. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Hey my people, now here what is Sultan of Sokoto talk in a traditional ruler and a peace in the represent in the talk, the one of peace. Anyway my people, una comment, make na drop am for the comment section. And I'm reason waiting Sultan of Sokoto talk with this whole matter, and make una no forget to like and share. Beg, make una share this video for us. Una do well. See you all in our next video. Bye. DJ